Okay, yeah. It's just one thing that definitely slows down sales is when you guys run your tracker and you don't delete your out of stock items, right?
Mhm.
Like
Oh,
you need
wait.
to,
What did you say?
yeah, just when you have these out of stock items, they really screw up your seller metrics. Like 4,000 a month for like 2 weeks. After that, though, it's back up to like 8, 9,000. What matters is activity.
Copy and paste the money.
I tend to just delete everything that goes out of stock.
I deleted all the listings under 25 views. I did like 1,000 at once.
He's got three accounts like going up to 25K listings, and they're each bringing in, 2,000 a month.
Welcome to Noyon Dropshipping. The future of online business starts here.
Okay, yeah. It's just one thing that definitely slows down sales is when you guys run your tracker and you don't delete your out of stock items, right?
Mhm. Oh,
Like you
wait.
need to,
What did you say?
like
Sorry.
when you have your tracker run, once it's finished, you want to delete those items pretty quickly. If you don't, it's going to screw up your metrics with eBay. That's something that
Yeah.
e-
Wait,
e-
so
even if you have like 10 or 20 items out of stock for a couple days or weeks, like that can really hurt your metrics. It's
oh,
best just to,
so everything you don't want to have any, sorry, I don't mean to cut you off, but you don't want to have any unsold or not unsold.
You don't want to have a lot.
yeah. So you have 800, I would delete them. I don't think that
Yeah.
the sale of it doesn't matter. So
No, no,
you
no,
just
but I'm sorry, they're in stock on eBay, they're out of stock on Amazon. Sorry.
Yeah, but so
delete
having
them.
dead items that aren't selling, so nobody's clicking on them, they're not technically visible, it's lowering your metrics on eBay's end. You know what I mean?
But how
Um,
does eBay doesn't know that it's out of stock?
it's a eBay's a supercomputer. It literally has a name, it has a patented algorithm, it has all of this stuff, and it's like um it's like just like how, if you have an item that nobody clicks on and within, 30 days or 15 days or whatever, that's lowering your metrics because nobody's clicking on it. eBay sees that as a dead item. You know what I mean? If a lot of people are clicking on it and viewing it, adding it to carts, whatever, they consider that a hot item. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
10 recently viewed in the last 24 hours, or whatever the case is.
Yeah.
Same concept, so it's like having too many that aren't doing any numbers, or like I said, so it's like that's why every 15 to 30 days I'll just sit there and like, prune back down a little bit of just
Yeah. Wait.
items of under, I think I told you, like under 25, you know
Yeah. Yeah. So,
even two views, 5 views, 10 views, 15, 20, 25.
uh,
Eventually, like you could get rid of a lot of items, and then
yeah.
only replace them with just hot selling stuff.
Okay. Okay. Wait, Jonathan, what were you saying though? What were you trying to say?